Welcome to javainterviewquestions.com. Today we'll write a program how to search for a key in a map. We'll write a program how to search for a key in hash map. I'm taking a new class, hash map search key demo. I'm writing a main method. I'm creating a new map. And now what I'm doing is I'm adding elements to the map. I've added 3 elements with key and values 1a, 2b and 3c. Now what I'm doing is I'm printing the elements in the map. Now what we are doing is we are printing the elements in the map. After that what we'll be doing is we'll get only the value. What we'll do is we'll check for a key is present in map or not. For example, I want to check whether there is 2 in the map or not. Whether there is 2 in map or not. So what I'll do is if map dot, we have a method called contains key which will check for key 1. So what I am doing is I am printing hooray 1 is there in map. Else no 1 is not present in map. So what we need to be are doing is we are checking the element 1 is present in this map or not. For that we have a method called map.contains key which will check whether the key is there or not. So it takes a value 1. So now our output should be like, since we have 1 in this map, our output should be like hooray 1 is there in map. Our output should be this. So now I am running the program. So first it printed the elements in the map and the output is hooray 1 is there in the map. Since 1 is there in the map, assume that now I am changing this 1 to 7. Now what it should print, 7 is not present in map. Okay, so the output is 7 is not present in map. So to search for a key is present in map or not, we have a method called contains key. Hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my videos, subscribe to my videos.